Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen, and today I am going on a trail ride with these horses. So I am going horseback riding for the very first time, and I'm really excited to take y'all with me.
We'll send you on up next to our baby horse pen up there, and we'll get you loaded from up in that area. Okay. So let's go ahead.
So we are riding, and this is my horse for the day. This is Woodrow, and he is a beautiful horse, and he is taking me along this ride. So I just got done riding, and it was awesome. My horse Woodrow is so great. Definitely something that you should try and do if you're ever here in Idaho.